everyone, how are you guys doing today? And welcome to my channel. My name is Ata, and today I will be showing you guys how I made this basmati rice for a family of 4. So yeah, I started off by actually washing my meat. I added in a pinch of salt and then adding water, and then I gave it a thorough washing. After that, I went ahead to sauce my meat. I added in my curry powder, my thyme, my Maggi cubes, my ginger powder, my garlic powder, my onions. Just add in any spice of your choice, but this is how I actually like it. Then I allowed it to simmer in its juice for few minutes before I then went ahead to add in a little water so that I can actually cook it before frying it. So now here, as you can see, my meat is already boiling. After it boiled and it cooked to my own taste, and then I went ahead to fry it. I also fry this according to the way I want my meat to be. So go ahead and do yours the way you want it. Then after frying my meat, and then I went ahead to get my basmati rice. This is not actually the one I actually love to use, but this is the available one. So I washed my basmati rice, I added in salt, washed it, and then I went ahead to put in the meat stock on the fire. Make sure you sieve it before pouring it in a hot water, and then allow it to boil. Add in your little curry, add in Maggi cubes, little Maggi cubes, then add in your basmati rice to cook. Actually, you have to cook the rice to soften a bit, like almost ready, almost done. Then after I cooked it, and then I went ahead to pack it to pack it. Then after that, I now went ahead to start frying my vegetables. I started by adding my onions, then I added in turmeric. After adding turmeric, just as you can see, and then I went ahead to add in thyme. After adding thyme, and then I went ahead to pour in my vegetables. After pouring in my vegetables, my carrots, my green beans, my green pepper, as you can see, and then I went ahead to continue to stir it until it softens a bit. Note, you are going to do all this on a low heat to avoid it from getting burnt. So after stirring it for a while, and then I went ahead to add in my spices. I added in my Maggi cube, I added in a pinch of salt, and then I went ahead to continue to keep stirring it. I also added in a little pepper. It's according to your choice. You might decide to omit pepper, but I added a little pepper because I actually love my meal a bit spicy. Then after that, I continued to stir it on a low heat. Then I brought in the basmati rice. I went ahead to add in my basmati little by little. As I'm adding in the basmati rice, I'm stirring it little by little so that as you can see, so that the spices will go around and then the taste will come out very well. So you continue to add in your rice little by little as you stir it on a low heat, guys. Our rice is almost ready, as you can see, and I can't even wait to actually eat it. So you continue to add in your rice little by little. As you're adding in your rice, you also continue to stir it very well so that all the ingredients will actually go round. So you are getting your vegetables according to the size of the quantity of the rice you want to cook. After you're done, then you cover it so that the heat is going to steam it for a while. So now, guys, our rice is ready actually. So this is me clearing everywhere, washing the plates, and making sure everywhere is kept neat before I then went ahead to actually serve it. Guys, let me know if you're going to try this in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching.